right here. They are awesome. They're lightweight, they're adjustable. We are able to take these out with no doors on, which is a good thing because I don't think you guys want to get pulled over because you guys need mirrors, obviously. So go ahead and check them out at their website at Mictuning.com. They have Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Google, etc. What else can I say about these? They are really light and really good to put on your guys' feet. So I definitely recommend it for all you guys. And thank you once again, Mictuning. We appreciate it. Go ahead and check them out because they have a lot more stuff. It's not just mirrors. They have LED lights. You could name it. They have everything. Make sure to go ahead and follow them.
Alright guys, it's all set. So it's not fully installed, but it's sitting in place right now, and they seem to be pretty easy to install. Really quick, easy install. The other one's already. It's just time to just take the door out and install it. So we're gonna be going for a little test run. We're gonna tighten everything up and then we'll be back. All right, so we actually wanted to take them out and test them out and see if they're actually, you know, like good, stable on the road. But as you can see, it's cloudy, foggy, windy, and it's freaking cold to take the doors off right now and go for a ride. So we are actually gonna have to wait on that, and then we'll try them out some other day. But as you can see, they actually look good for like to be at a good price. So they're not that expensive nor cheap, but they were actually good. They were actually good quality for the price that they're at right now. And if you go check them out right now, they have a lot of offers right now on their LED bars, their lights, pot lights. I think they have rock lights, and they have a lot of more stuff on sale right now. So you want to score on some good deals, you might want to go and check them out. And well, we'll see you next time. Peace.